Hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to this course. This course is the AWS Developer Associate course and it's designed to help you pass the AWS Developer Associate qualification. I've written this course specifically for passing the exam, so we will focus on everything the exam has to offer, and we're going to try and maximize your learning so that you'll pass the exam first go. It's been designed by me. I work as a solutions architect. My name is Ryan Cronenberg, and I'm also an ex-PHP and MySQL developer. I used to work for Rackspace, and I used to work in the Windows system administrator team, and in there my speciality was running PHP and MySQL websites on Windows environments. So I am cross-platforms, and I've been working as a solutions architect for the last 5 years or so, but I've been in IT for basically since I got out of uni. So this course is designed to help anyone to pass their exam, no matter what their experience level is with AWS. So even if you've never logged into the platform before, this course will basically make you well placed to pass the exam first go. It contains all the latest content from reInvent 2014, and it's suitable for students sitting the exam in 2015. So this course is cheaper than the other courses out there at the moment. I've done that deliberately because when I was trying to become AWS certified, I was really annoyed that I had to pay a few $100s per course. So I've tried to make this as cheap as possible, and the good thing about doing my courses is that once you complete a course, you'll get a coupon code to do my other courses at a much very discounted rate. So if you do want to look at doing another course which I've got at the moment, which is the AWS Solutions Architect Associate course, you can. I am working on the AWS SysOps qualification, and that course should hopefully be out in the next few weeks as well. So once you have completed this course, you get a coupon code and you can go and do those other courses at a really good and discounted rate. Most lectures in this course are under 20 minutes, and we have over 9 hours of content. I've basically tried to keep the lectures deliberately under 20 minutes so that you don't lose interest. There's nothing worse than coming across a course where your lectures last 40 or 50 minutes. If we keep it under 20 minutes, it makes it easy for you to do if you're catching the train or the bus, or perhaps you just having a break at work. You can learn about the AWS platform during your normal daily routine. All sections are summarized in this course for maximum learning. So if we go through a DynamoDB, for example, there might be 6 or 7 lectures in that topic, and at the end, just to make sure you remember everything, we're going to summarize that entire topic again. So we do summarize everything at the end of each section of the course, and we also have a quiz at the end of all theoretical sections with a mega quiz at the end, which is basically like a mock exam, and I try and keep those questions as realistic as possible so that you have a lot of preparation before you go in and do the exam on the day. Okay, so in terms of an overview, we've gone through the introduction already. In the next section, we have the AWS 10,000 feet overview, and this is basically just having a look at all the different components that make up the AWS platform. We then move on to Identity Access Management, which is a core component of the AWS platform, and it's how we set up things like usernames and passwords. We'll then look at using EC2 and getting set up to interact with the AWS platform programmatically. We'll then look at Amazon Storage Solution Service S3. We'll also look at Glacier and CloudFront. We'll then do a quick overview of databases generally, and then we'll specifically target DynamoDB, which is a main topic in the exam. We'll then look at some application services, starting with Simple Queue Service. We'll look at Simple Notification Services and Simple Workflow Service and what the difference is between all three of them. We'll then look at CloudFormation as well as Elastic Beanstalk. We'll then look at building our own virtual private cloud, and then we'll look at the AWS shared responsibility model. And then the final sort of section on the course is the exam itself and what to expect on the day. So that's it for the introduction section. I hope you'll join me in the rest of the course. It is really good value for money, and I would highly recommend doing some of my other courses as well, because the more AWS certifications you pick up, the better you're going to look in front of employers, and ultimately the more money you can earn. So if you do have any questions, please let me know, but if not, feel free to move on to the next lecture.